Are you struggling to get noticed by recruiters? You're not alone. One of the main reasons students get rejected is poor CV formatting. In today's competitive job market, your CV is crucial. Let's dive into why format matters and how to fix common mistakes. First, keep in mind that recruiters only spend 6 to 10 seconds on each code. In this brief time, a messy format can cost you the opportunity. You need your CV to be readable and organized. A cluttered document makes it difficult for recruiters to find vital information like your education and skills. Many companies use applicant tracking systems to screen CVs. A CV that isn't formatted correctly may never reach a recruiter. Use simple structures to ensure it passes through these systems. Visual appeal also matters. A polished CV shows professionalism. Your first impression can make or break your chance, so make it count. Now, let's look at common mistakes students make. First, avoid complex layouts. Fancy colors and fonts can hinder readability. Stick to professional fonts like Arial or Calibri. A clean, simple layout works best. Next, ensure your CV has a clear structure. Organize it into sections: contact information, professional summary, education, work experience, skills, certifications, and more. This makes it easy for recruiters to scan. Another common error is using the wrong file type. Avoid submitting only PDFs. Use both PDF and Word formats. Word documents are more ATS friendly. Don't forget the importance of keywords. Tailor your CV to match the job description. This way, ATS can recognize your relevance and ensure your CV reaches human eyes. Lastly, don't overwhelm your CV with information. Focus on key experiences and skills. Recruiters prefer concise, digestible information. Use bullet points to enhance clarity. Now let's discuss best practices. Start by using a clean, professional CV template. This saves time and ensures your CV is ATS friendly. Prioritize relevant information and aim for a one-page format unless your experience requires more space. Highlight specific achievements instead of just job responsibilities. Use quantifiable metrics, like increased sales by 20%. This adds weight to your application. Finally, always proofread your CV. Typos and errors can cost you an interview. Take the time to review it or ask someone else to help. In summary, the format of your CV is as important as the content. Focus on readability, organization, and relevance. By taking these steps, you increase your chances of getting noticed by recruiters and pass it through ATS filters. Ready to optimize your CV? Take action now and make that lasting first impression. For more tips on CV writing, subscribe and keep browsing our content. Creating a standout CV is not just about listing your qualifications. It involves strategically presenting your skills and experiences in a way that resonates with potential employers. Begin by selecting a professional layout that balances both aesthetic and functionality. Consider employing a subtle color scheme, such as dark blue headings with black text, to add a touch of personality without sacrificing professionalism. This simple adjustment can help your CV catch the eye, while still conveying competence and attention to detail. Focus on crafting a compelling professional summary at the top, ideally no more than 3 sentences long. This summary should encapsulate who you are as a candidate, emphasizing both your main qualifications and your career objectives. Think of it as your elevator pitch on paper, making clear what you bring to the table. Next, create distinct sections within your CV. Use headings to clearly delineate each part: education, work experience, skills, and certifications. This not only organizes your information logically, but also allows recruiters to find relevant information quickly. Additionally, using bullet points under each job title or educational achievement will aid in clarity, allowing you to showcase your responsibilities and accomplishments succinctly. Moreover, Consider enriching your CV with action verbs that convey initiative and impact. Words like develop, managed, or coordinated create a sense of professionalism and dynamism. Ensure that the details you provide relate directly to the roles you are applying for, thus aligning your skills with the needs of the employer. When detailing work experience, go beyond the job title alone. Include the specific contributions and successes highlighted. After completing your CV, take a step back and assess it objectively.